Asa yun, Norly? So, mag-retest pa ni Maday, ha? Although, wala ka na hagbong, pero, hinay kay ka mo answer. Mula pa sa 5 seconds. So, mao, na kay assignment, and retest ang yapong ka na ko. So, 10 question. 8 times 2.
16.
5 times 3.
15.
4 times 9.
36.
6 times 7.
42.
6 times 9.
54.
8 times 7.
56.
7 times 9.
63.
3 times 3.
9.
4 times 9.
56.
5 times 8.
40.
6 times 8.
48.
Okay. So, it's good. Bye.
Yeah.
안녕하세요, Sophia.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you're going to answer for number 1. So, underline the correct word given within the brackets or the parentheses. So, please read for number 1.
I have a bantot.
Okay. Then, continue. Wait, sa unyara pag-answer. Continue sa ang reading. Kanang I want. Dito sa pikas.
I want to see a dentist soon.
Okay, so unsa may correct nga answer, ana? Unyara, wait sa i-explain sa nako, ha? So, sakit daw ang imo, na daw ka, imong ngipon ba? Is, bati ang ngipon. So, unsa may answer dapat, ana niya? Nya, gusto daw ka moadto sa dentista. So, unsa may answer?
Face.
No, dili. Ang paste is toothpaste man. Bati ang toothpaste. Okay, ang ache, ang answer, toothache na kay bad toothache. So, ache ang answer, ha? Okay. For number 2, arita ni Liza. Okay, Liza, i-underline. Basaha ang number 2.
The Amazon is the largest
Rain. Dili na run. Rain.
in the world.
Okay, so Amazon. Rain. Unsa man siya? Very good. Rain.
Forest.
Very good. So, number 3. Okay, Junmark, please read for number 3.
My favorite game is table tennis.
Okay, table tennis. Okay, very good. So, game na ang table tennis, ha? Okay. Okay, Jillian. Jillian May, please answer for number 4. Basahon. I visited
my grand and
Gail.
last Monday.
Okay, so unsa may answer? Mother, grandmother, visit nimo, no? Visited your grandmother. Very good. For number 5. Okay, Rina, please read for number 5. Make your voice loud. My
Car has
8
8 hearts.
air.
Airport.
Dayon, for my safety. Okay, so unsa may answer? 8 say answer? Bags. Okay, very good.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Grace.
Okay, pwede na mag-start. Okay, tarong ang toothbrush. Brush your teeth properly. Na, up and down, up and down. Okay, these are the level 2 students. But this is what we will do after our class. Okay, pakita ta sa iyong ipon, be, dali. Pakita ta sa iyong ipon, dali. Dali, Julin. Closer, Aritri, forward. Isbog. Oh, teeth of Julin. Next. Kate. Okay, teeth of Kate. Next. Teeth of Nicole. Next. Jirin. Hazel. Teeth. Yung ipon, be. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Grace.
Okay, so karon mag toothbrush na sadta, no? Kay human naman ang atong klase. So, by the way, these are my level 1 students. Smile, sabi. Okay. You may start now. Okay, up and down in outer teeth. Up and down, up and down. Then after outer teeth, adto na sad sa inner. Then after that, ang tang dayon. Okay, very good students. Rachel, Samantha, Jivon, Angel, Erica, Eliza, Aiko, and Althea. Okay. Okay, ang human na bi si Angel. May I see your teeth, Angel? Dere bi. Next, kinsa may human na. Bi, may I see your teeth?
Ako teacher. Ako di man.
Okay, bye-bye na students. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.